Good morning, everyone. This is a new job for July the 26th, 2022. Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Now, this job is a customer service associate with Carswell Industries in the United States. It's a remote job for the United States citizens, and it's $2,000 to $85,000 a year. It's part-time or either full-time, and you have to have matching qualifications for this job, experience and skills is customer service, education and certificates is high school diploma or a GED. And job details is, like I said earlier, the salary is $20,000 to $85,000 per year, and the job type is full-time or part-time. Now, the full job description. Yeah, looking for the perfect career opportunity, then look no further. They have how to join them by just clicking on this apply now tab, so you can go ahead and get hired on or try to get hired on, and hopefully you will be. If you have the qualifications, they will definitely hire you. Our main purpose is to make dreams come true for our clients. As a customer service specialist, you'll be provided the tools needed to promote top sales within the leisure and travel industry. Having access to exclusive VIP discounts and travel agent perks. Even gain access to commission on booking your own travel. We have over 150 major vendors and suppliers, which include Disney, FunJet, Pleasant Holidays, Princess, Universal Studios, and so much more. When you join our team, you are provided daily online training, both live and pre-recorded, specialist certifications, and a vast array of familiarization opportunities, which are only designated for true professional travel specialists. Job responsibilities. Plan vacation experiences for clients by offering itinerary suggestions on appealing destinations, tour packages, day trips, excursions, events, and transportation and accommodations based on individual and group needs. Book all the above in addition to flights, cruises, rail, retail, rental cars, hotels, tickets, and travel insurance using only reservation directories of many or more than 130 suppliers and vendors worldwide. Stay in the know of the latest travel and leisure deals, advisories, destination updates, and supplier/vendor training, so you can be a valuable resource to your clients. Stay plugged into weekly team trainings to maximize earning potential through booking requests. Facilitate payment plans to accommodate your clients' vacation package needs or other upfront deposits that may be required. Must follow guidelines set by the host agency in reference to the credit card authorization and processing. Your job skills and qualifications, these are required. Must be 18 years old of age or older. Must own a desktop, computer, or laptop. Must own a cell phone, smartphone, strongly preferred. Must have reliable internet service. Must be comfortable working with minimal supervision. Must enjoy helping people. Must have a positive attitude. Must be adept or at least enthusiastic about using social media. Availability to join online Zoom meetings at least twice per week, flexible. Must work well under pressure. Quick respond to sales and customer inquiries. If you are searching for your next adventure in your professional life, we may have the perfect position for you as a customer service specialist on our team. Our consultants help make our customers' dream trips a reality. You will learn the inner workings of the travel industry and gain access to the exclusive discounts on travel arrangements for yourself. Your primary goal will be to deliver outstanding service to our customers and use your top sales techniques to help clients discover incredible vacation opportunities and experiences. You will also learn about the hottest destinations, the most amazing resorts, and the greatest vacation excursions when working in this position. Secure a career that you'll fall in love with. Apply today. A high school diploma or GED equivalent, high school, excellent interpersonal communication skills. Take calls and address customer inquiries in a positive, friendly manner. Maintain a calm, amicable demeanor when engaging with customers, even if clients are frustrated or impatient. So they posted this today, and this is by Simply Hired. It just got posted. So if you feel like this is a job for you, you can join. It sounds great. It's amazing. And this is another job right here that I guys want you to see. It's a quick one. This one, it's $9 and it's a full-time, part-time position. If you have telemarketing skills, you may join this job from Promark Research Corporation. It is $9 an hour. It's from Kansas. It's a remote position. And if you speak bilingual, that's a plus. The salary is $9 an hour, full-time, part-time. Customer service support is 1 year preferred. And telemarketing for 1 year preferred. Computer skills is 1 year preferred, bilingual preferred. Flexible schedule. This is the benefits of the job. Flexible scheduling. Paid training and work from home. Those are all great benefits. For anyone who wants to stay and work from home, they have great benefits to that. Staying at home. At-home market research surveys needed. They said 100% paid virtual training, no on-site training needed. Evening hours. And they say Promark Research Corporation conducts public opinion surveys on social media. Social, economic, and political topics over the phone with people all over the country. To be a successful interviewer, comfortable reading survey questions over the phone with the ability to record responses accurately. Ability to convince people to bring in complete surveys, and technical ability to navigate multiple windows and programs on their own computer with ease. Ability to multitask and prioritize. Ability to troubleshoot, utilize all available resources, and follow standard operating procedures. Cultural fit. Positive, self-motivated, driven to meet and exceed goals. Thick-skinned, I don't know how to pronounce this word. I'm trying to do it tenacious because I usually see it, but I'm like, okay. Other requirements: a quiet, uninterrupted, and secured home office located at your confirmed address or residence, free from background noise or other distractions. Personal computer owned by you, where proprietary software will be downloaded and configured. A fast, reliable internet connection. Speed testing on your personal computer, not on a cell phone, will be conducted prior to being considered for this position. A wired headset with a USB connection. Wireless headsets are not permitted. A permanent resident of Texas, Kansas, Oklahoma, Kentucky, or Idaho. It's out of these that you guys will be able to get hired from this job, from these states. Other than that, you cannot get hired. You have to be from out of one of these states right here: Texas, Kansas, Oklahoma, Kentucky, or Idaho. Residents of other states will not be accepted or hired. Why you'll like working here? Work from the comfort of your home with no transportation costs or travel time to factor in. Incentive bonuses and performance-based wage increases after the first 3 months, then every 6 months afterwards. Set your own permanent schedule with a minimum requirement of 2 days per week. Monday through Thursday, and a mandatory Sunday shift. Here, have your ear on the pulse of issues affecting our country, starting at $9 per hour after 4 days of training at $7.25 plus bonus and incentives. To apply for this position, please visit our website at www.promarkresearch.com. And the scheduling shift is 4-hour shift, 8-hour shift, night shift, and weekend availability. And supplemental pay will be bonus pay. And the language, you could be bilingual as preferred, but it's not required. And work location, like I said before, is remote. So this is the hiring and size application response rate is 99%. It's ongoing. Need to fill this role. It's urgently hiring. This was posted 19 days ago. But you guys can try your luck and then go ahead and apply because they need a position to be filled. That means that they're still needing people on this role. So yes, there you have it, you guys. If you can, like and subscribe and hit the like button. It gets me to the algorithm so more people can view my content and help me to put out these jobs that people need. The economy is bad and everyone needs a work from home job, or either someone might need a job working outside the home. I'm here just to help with the work from home, but I will be adding in working outside the home companies as well pretty soon. So yeah, you guys look forward to it. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you are here, you're brand new, welcome to my channel, Donna Rose. I post work from home jobs and I do how-to tutorials. So you guys, thank you for joining. Have a great day.